romantic kiss so you can cross me off that list.
Hello you guys, in today's video I'm just gonna be playing with that palette again, that palette that I got from Amazon. It's so super beautiful that I just wanted to take another look on it, and I wanted to do this time a very glam or settle glam kind of look, and I will be showing you how I use this palette just to achieve this settle, because it does have a lot of colors in this palette, and I just want to show you guys how you can achieve a glam settled look as well with this one. And just let's start. We'll be playing some music for you so you can enjoy the video. So as you could have seen right now, I was just grabbing the neutral colors of this palette and just softly placing it and blending them together into my crease, and that's what we're doing right now. And also I'm going to bring this darker color down into my waterline or lower lash line. Also we'll be playing the same color in the back outer B part of my eye, and then we're just gonna grab a shimmer and play with it, and I'll let you enjoy the rest of the video. Oh my god, you guys, I'm so happy with the way that this look turned out. It's so soft but still glam. I love it. This palette is amazing. It was only $14.99 and I think in Amazon, and I already put a video on this palette and I showed all the swatches and everything, so if you're interested I will link the video down below for you guys. But I'm so glad I got this palette, because I can just create so many looks, from a glam neutral look to a colorful look if I wanted to. It's so pretty, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you are interested on this palette, I will leave the link down below in the description box for you guys to check this out if you would like.